This is my newly acquired Emerson Kool. I got this on Facebook Marketplace as well, just like the other few air conditioners I've made videos of recently. This is a 6,300 BTU air conditioner. And I'm pretty sure this is made by Fetters, just like that one right there. Obviously that one's newer. This one I think is from the late 80s. I'll open the control panel up here and see the controls. Exhaust vent, energy saver function, like a lot of new air conditioners have. A 3-speed fan, and there's the thermostat. Let's see if it's clicking. I don't know if it is or not, I can't really tell, but we'll see. Close this. I'll show you the back in just a second. It's got a really cool metal case. I mean, obviously all air conditioners have metal cases, but this one's really kind of unique. Here's the back of it. It says Emerson Kool in big letters. And this thing has been taken really good care of. The condenser coil is pretty clean. The evaporator is pretty clean. So I think this thing was taken really good care of. Made in USA. The fan motor was made in USA. I'm not exactly sure who it's made by, but I'll try and get a view of that real quick. And there's the fan motor. It looks kind of like a Westinghouse motor, but I'm not exactly sure. It just says Emerson Kool on it. 1/10 horsepower. That's about all I can see right now. 1100 RPM max. It's kind of hard to see, but the condenser is pretty clean. It's really, again, hard to see. There's some stuff in the bottom that it could be cleaned out a little bit maybe, but I think that's mostly just chipping paint. So this thing is in really good shape. It's got a rotary compressor right there. Not exactly sure what company this one's made by, because I can't see the tag. Maybe that. No, that's just the Emerson Kool logo. Yeah, I'm not sure who makes the compressor. We'll go ahead and try and start it up here in just a second. If the compressor doesn't start, I'll put the space heater in front of it, and we'll try and get it to start. Alright, let's see if it starts. Start on low. Yep. It's already getting nice and cool. This air conditioner is rated at 5.9 amps. Here's our amp draw after everything is stabilized. 4.69, 473 watts, 0.85 power factor, and we're testing on 118 volts. Plenty of air flowing through here. I'll still clean it, but right now it's actually in pretty good shape. don't know if you can hear that vibrating sound, but the motor shaft is going in and out a little bit because I think one of the thrust washers is worn out. Let's see if you can see it from here. Go up the other side. Yeah, you can't really see it on camera, but that shaft does move in and out a little bit. It causes some vibration. So, might have to do something about that, like put a new washer in the motor and oil it. But this thing is pretty quiet. Happy with my purchase. Turn it up to medium. Now high. Very strong breeze coming out of the vent. So that'll pretty much do it for this video. Stay tuned, as I'll probably be having some more new air conditioner videos coming out soon. So thanks for watching.